Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare ledger versus journal in accounting. Understanding these two fundamental accounting records is crucial for anyone managing finances. The journal is where every transaction first gets recorded, acting as a chronological log. The ledger then takes that raw data and organizes it by account, providing a summary of balances. Together, they form the backbone of a robust accounting system, ensuring all financial activities are meticulously tracked and categorized. The accounting journal is often called the book of original entry because it's the first place transactions are recorded. Think of it as a diary for your business's money. Every financial event, from a $1.50 purchase to a $1,000 sale, is entered here in date order. Each entry details the accounts affected, with corresponding debit and credit amounts, ensuring the fundamental accounting equation remains balanced. This chronological record is vital for tracing specific transactions and maintaining an audit trail. Following the journal, entries are posted to the ledger. The ledger takes all those individual transactions and groups them by account type, such as cash, accounts payable, or sales revenue. This allows you to see the total activity and current balance for each account at a glance. The general ledger, in particular, consolidates all financial data, offering a comprehensive picture of your business's financial health. It's essential for preparing financial statements like the balance sheet and income statement. When considering which is better, the journal versus the ledger, it's important to understand they are not interchangeable. They are two integral parts of the double-entry accounting system, each with a unique role. The journal captures the initial, detailed chronological record of every transaction, while the ledger then organizes and summarizes these transactions by account, providing balances. Both are absolutely necessary for accurate financial reporting and analysis. Remember to check the description for a link to stay hydrated with an Owala water bottle, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.